Yeah, I gotta put it over here. Just set it down. The outside can get dirty. I'm just gonna move this rock out of the way. It's a stick or something. Hang on. We had a poking stick. What happened to it? I don't care which one I got. We had one that would get the poking stick on her. Oh. Yeah, that fire's way too hot right now. Burn it while it's getting seasoned.
Are you going to video?
I just don't want to catch on fire.
Well, I think it's cooling down now.
Yeah, I didn't realize the fire was that hot.
Oh, wow. But it's
Oh,
right,
yeah.
it is good for seasoning. Please let me hold the spatula. Oh, no, she's using that to help you.
No, I'm just trying to get the block flatter.
And do you have a rake? That would help. I don't know where the shovel is.
Woo!
There should be a shovel, too.
That might stay up now.
Right.
But, you know something, our coal, this fire is a little bit hot.
It is pretty hot.
Well, let it die down now. These flames die down. We could put charcoal on this too. What are you doing? My butt's probably hanging out.
Oh no, she's got all the fire and everything.
Here, let me see that and I'll stir this again.